Hi all, today I want to show you how to use curve on surface, Polysurface and MeshSubD. We open our library. We are searching for a ring, a simple ring, I don't know. This one, yes, okay. Okay, we go to main. This command here, left click is the command AJ curve on polysurface. We select the surface and we start selecting points from where the curve will pass. Okay, you see this X point, they are your points. Okay, the one you click. You can decide the number of points here, number of control points, or with this shortcut, plus point is D, so I can do with D. You see number of points is updating here, 34. Less point. If we have less points, the curve is less adherent. You see this? Because there are few points. Okay, so if you have this result, you can edit it. Okay, you can keep support or change support. Now we did it on this support, so there is a support. We don't need to change it. You see, you have these points that are your points of creation. Then with the shortcut you can read them on the upper part of the view. We can lock and unlock with Ctrl L, and this is very useful because you don't risk to select other things whilst selecting this point. You click this point and you move them, but you see I am moving the point that is in the back. I thought it was in the upper part. Okay, it is there. So Ctrl Z, and I activate Ctrl plus T, that is frontal on off, Ctrl T, so I can see only the points that are in front. Then edit point, I can Ctrl R, rebuild. I want 24. Okay, now I have another situation. Okay, I can decide to add point because I'm here and I want to add point, so we can see Ctrl left, the first shortcut on the left in the upper part of the view. Ctrl, you see the plus, click and you have the point here. If you don't want here, or if you don't want this, Ctrl on the point, up on the point, and you remove it. Okay, so you can use a lot of options. You can add the snap on off, snap to curves, to snap to curves, to points, to edge, and you can see also the distance, Ctrl H. Okay. When you like it, right click. Here I don't like, for example. So here I want to put this way point. I want to add one here, add one here. Okay, there is this one. Remove it, remove it, remove it. Now here I want to see all points, so Ctrl T, and I see all of them. Okay. So you have instrument to edit your curve as you want. When you finish, you right click and you can decide to pull the curve or to leave it as it is now. If you want to be sure that it is projected on this object, you can select the pull, but your points will be changed. Okay, so try with pull and have a look to this curve here. You see how many points, but it is projected. Now I don't like here very much, so I want to change it again. Yes, I like more. Okay. Okay, cool. Perfect. Now I like it. I want to show you what happens if you do this. This is one section of this object. You can do this, and you see the curve. It updates because everything is connected by Rhino history. So if you have a simple curve like this, for example, I'm creating it, if you see here on the view, I'm not using our command, it's a Rhino command, simple Rhino command. So I have this, okay, for example, okay. You can project with Rhino command on this object, or you can edit, for example, select the curve, edit with our command, and select the surface, Polysurface. You see what happens? It's searching for the closest point here, 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 and so you can connect this. If you don't want, you want to project, okay, we can put this one here, okay, and you create. This is connected to this object. Then, for example, you don't want this, you want this. Yes, if you edit the curve and you edit again the object, okay, you don't lose history, first thing, because the curve will update from his position, okay. And another thing is that you can connect a curve. For example, we do another curve here. Here. Okay, we have this curve here. Okay. And we wanted to keep it connected to this object. You use connect curve. Link to Polysurface or link to mesh. Change support because it doesn't have a support. Select the item to connect, and this is connected. Okay, so you can edit the curve and it will be projected to the object, or you can connect it. Thank you very much.